Hi grade 8, today we will continue our lesson and this session we will talk about air quality. What's meant by air quality? Measuring how clean or polluted the air tells us about air quality. So what's meant by air quality? Measuring how clean or polluted air. Pollutants reduce air quality. So let's know what are pollutants. We have two major threats to air quality. Number one, vehicle exhaust. Number two, industrial pollutants. Okay, there are the two major threats to air quality. Air pollution. As more people move into cities, it becomes bigger, and this leads to increased amount of human-made pollution, like this picture. Poor air circulation, as lack of wind, allowed air pollution to stay in one area. As pollution increases, air quality decreases. Okay, as pollution increases, air quality decreases. Air quality index. Let's know what's meant by air quality index. It is a number used to describe the air quality. It is a number used to describe the air quality. It is a number used to describe the air quality. The higher air quality index number, the more people are likely to have health problems. The higher air quality index number, the more people have health problems. Okay? Air quality is measured and given a value based on the level of pollution detected. Okay? This picture represents air quality index, and you must know that air quality index values are divided into ranges like this, and each range has color code. Each range has it's given a color code and a description. So each color represents air quality index number. Okay. So the air quality index values are divided into ranges, and each range is given a color code and description. Indoor air pollution. What's meant by indoor air pollution? The air inside a building can become more polluted than outside. Okay? This is because buildings are insulated to prevent outside air from entering the building. So let's know sources of indoor air pollution. Sources of indoor air pollution include chlorine, ammonia from household cleaners, and formaldehyde from furniture. Okay? So sources of indoor air pollution includes what? Chlorine, ammonia from household cleaners, and formaldehyde from furniture. Like this. Picture represents indoor air pollution. Households, gases, carbon dioxide, formaldehyde from furniture. And now let's talk about how can air quality affect health. We have two types, short-term effects and long-term effects. Short-term effects of air pollution include what? Coughing, headaches, and wheezing. But long-term effects of air pollution include lung cancer, chronic bronchitis, allergies, and emphysema. Okay? So let's know the difference between short and long term of air pollution. Okay, short term, cough, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Long term, lung cancer, respiratory conditions, cardiovascular diseases. Okay, so in this session we talk about air quality, and we know what's meant by air quality, measuring how clean or polluted air. Okay. And there are two major threats to air quality, vehicle exhaust and industrial pollutants. And we talked about air pollution, and we know that poor air circulation and lack of wind allow the air pollution to stay in one area. As pollution increased, air quality, yes, decrease. Okay? And we talked about air quality index, and we know that air quality index, it is a number used to describe the air quality. Okay? And the higher air quality index number, the more people are likely to have health problems. Air quality is measured and given a value based on the level of pollution, like this. And air quality index values are divided into ranges. Each range is given a color code and a description. Each range is given a color code and a description. Good, healthy, unhealthy. Okay. Indoor air pollution. What's meant by indoor air pollution? The air inside the building can become more polluted than outside. Okay, and the sources of indoor air pollution include chlorine, ammonia from household cleaners, and formaldehyde from furniture. Like this. And finally, we talked about air quality affect health. Short-term effects of air pollution include coughing, headaches, and long-term effects of air pollution include lung cancer, allergies, and emphysema. Thank you, grade 8, and goodbye.